Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can add live captions to your Instagram Reels. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go and actually shoot a reel. So I'm gonna shoot a reel right now. So I'll go into the account page of my Instagram profile, I'll hit the create button in the top right corner here, and I will click reel, and then I'm gonna go and hit record. And now I'm gonna record my reel. Hey, this is me recording my reel. I'm testing out Instagram's live auto captions. So from here I can go and I can click on the little sticker button in the bottom left here, and I can find the captions option. Now what will happen is Instagram will actually transcribe my video. So there you go, now I can take a look and see how well Instagram did at transcribing my video. So I can hit play. Hey, this is me recording my reel. I'm testing out Instagram's live auto captions. Perfect, okay, so that actually worked perfectly. But what if I had to make some changes to the captions? So all I have to do is select the captions by clicking on it and then clicking again on the captions, and you'll see this is the transcript of everything that I've said in my video. So if there's maybe a grammatical error or a spelling mistake, I can go in and change. Maybe recording is now spelled with 2 G's in my world, so I'll put another G on there. Ain't nothing but a G, bang, bang. I'll hit done, and there you go. That's how it's changed. Last thing I need to do now is stylize my captions to look the way I want. So you can see the different text options here. I can do like the block text appearing. I can do this weird sort of like carousel thing, which like looks really bad if I wanted to. And then I'll make this whatever size I want. I can place it on the screen wherever I want. What's great about this Instagram caption feature as well, not only does it make your videos more accessible, but it works both on Instagram Reels and Instagram Stories. And hey, it even works on pre-existing videos that you've uploaded to Instagram, not just videos that you're creating on the Instagram platform. So there you have it. That's how you create your very own captions on your Instagram videos. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to try out a free trial of Agorapulse today, and stick around because we got tons of great content coming your way.